Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Tips. Are you waiting for the perfect English before you speak? Do you think my grammar is not perfect? I don't know enough vocabulary. People will laugh at me. If yes, this lesson is for you. Today I will show you how to speak English now, even if you are a beginner. By the end of this video, you will know why you should start speaking today, how to stop translating, the simple daily speaking method, examples you can copy immediately, the best English books for speaking practice. Let's begin. Part 1, Why you must speak. Now many students study English for years. They know grammar, they know many words. But when someone asks, how are you? They become nervous. Why? Because they only studied English. They never practiced speaking. Speaking is like riding a bicycle. You cannot learn it by reading only. You must practice. Remember this sentence. You learn to speak by speaking. Part 2, Don't translate. One of the biggest mistakes is translating every sentence from your language into English. For example, you want to say, I am hungry. Instead, your brain translates word by word. This takes too much time. Instead, learn English as a complete sentence. Practice, I am hungry, I am tired, I am happy, I am ready. Repeat these sentences many times. Soon your brain will answer automatically. Part 3, Learn useful sentences. Don't memorize difficult vocabulary first. Learn useful daily expressions. For example, good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thank you, nice to meet you. See you later, can you help me? I don't understand, could you repeat that? These simple sentences are more useful than difficult words. Part 4, Real conversation. Teacher, hello. Student, hello. Teacher, how are you? Student, I'm fine, thank you. Teacher, what is your name? Student, my name is David. Teacher, where are you from? Student, I'm from American. Teacher, nice to meet you. Student, nice to meet you too. Practice this conversation every day. Read it aloud. Then change the country and your name. Part 5, Speak alone. Every day many students say, I don't have anyone to practice with. That's okay. Practice alone. Example, good morning. Today is Monday. The weather is nice. I will study English today. I will watch one English video. I will read one page. I will learn 5 new words. Even 5 minutes every day will improve your English. Part 6, Think in English instead of thinking. What is the English word? Look around. Say, this is my phone, this is my chair, this is my window, I am drinking water, I am walking, I am opening the door. Describe everything around you in English. This trains your brain to think directly in English. Part 7, Read English books. Reading helps your speaking. When you read simple English books, you learn new vocabulary, sentence patterns, natural expressions. Start with easy books. Choose books made for English learners. Read one page. Read it again aloud. Shadow the sentences. Copy the pronunciation. Don't rush. Quality is better than speed. Research shows that reading books at your level and reading regularly improves fluency and vocabulary over time. Part 8, Daily practice plan. Every day, 5 minutes listening, 5 minutes reading, 5 minutes speaking, 5 minutes repeating, only 20 minutes every day. 1 day becomes 1 week, 1 week becomes 1 month, 1 month becomes 1 year. Your English will become much better. Motivation. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Nobody starts perfect. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Make mistakes. Learn, practice, repeat. Speak today, speak tomorrow. Never stop speaking English. Challenge. Now I have a challenge for you. Stand up, look in the mirror, say, hello, my name is, I am learning English. I will speak English every day. Repeat it 5 times today. Outro. Congratulations. Today you learned how to start speaking English now. Remember, speak every day. Don't translate. Learn useful sentences. Read simple English books. Think in English. Practice without fear. If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Learn English with Tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our English lessons. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next English lesson. Goodbye.